Alright, guys, here we go. We have short positions currently running on NQ. I'll explain how I got into this sell position, actually taking our short position from the top up here, from literally up here. Let me turn on the execution labels. Yeah. So look at it. We had short positions up here on NQ. First position taken at just limit triggered around 11:30 in the morning GMT +1, and we have another position triggered here currently at 2 o'clock, which is pretty much New York equity hour open. Our target is the sell side liquidity that is sitting at discounts literally into these lows that was created from Asia lows, more or less. Is our drawn liquidity. Now, why did I take this trade? Why did I anticipate this trade? Let me give a pretty much clean rundown on why I took this trade. So on the 1 hour time frame, we had a very clean indication of bearishness. We had structure shift bearish from this key level right here. We had a structure shift bearish from this key level right here. That was an indication that okay, there's a sense of bearishness in this market. We have price retrace into premium of that range up here, shut down all the way down, created these lows down here we were targeting in Asia, and now we're seeing price back up just around London open. And around that London open, no matter what price is doing, going back up, as long as we're still within the highs of yesterday and the low is created just before Asia, we are still looking for that selling opportunity. So the first thing I saw was this nice CRT takeout up here. We had this CRT takeout of the high. When we got that, we got this expansive candle. I actually kind of entered a little bit late. So after that expansion, let me show you guys. Okay, we had a nice run back into the range. We had the takeout, we had the structural shift, which is usually the breaking structure just around here, which is what we consider as our breaking market structure. Then we got our FVG, and we got our mitigation from that FVG, which was the execution label that I showed you guys. We had an execution here at limit. Then we had an expansion. Just right now, as we're coming into New York, there was another nice CRT to mark out TLH. There was another nice CRT here, of which I used to take the second position, and we're rolling and expecting price to run for sell sides. Now I'll show you on the 1 hour time frame, literally that CRT I was talking about, and that's this right here. This red candle got taken up by the black, and we got a complete rejection and closed back inside the range. That's our perfect CRT, and I got in on the next candle retest into the fair value gap right there. Same concept I keep teaching on the YouTube channel. It's what I use as my bread and butter. I use it through intra-sessions, trading, and just capitalize on the day's move. It's the nearest drawn liquidity. I hope you found this insightful. Until next time.